Today your Arduino will detect fire. A flame comes near, the LED turns on. This is a real fire alarm. Let's build it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hamza Robo. Last time we blinked our first LED. Today we make something useful, a flame detector. You need 6 things: Arduino UNO, USB cable, flame sensor, one LED, one resistor, and jumper wires. This small part is a flame sensor. It sees fire, not with a camera. It feels the light that fire makes. This light is called infrared. When there is no fire, the sensor sends a normal number. When fire comes close, the number drops. That's how we know. Let's connect everything. Take it slow. Flame sensor, VCC, goes to 5 volt. Now flame sensor ground goes to ground. Ground to the Arduino. Now flame sensor signal pin goes to A0. Now the LED long leg goes to pin 13 through resistor. Long leg goes to pin 13. And short leg goes to ground. That's all the wiring. Now open Arduino IDE. Let's write the code together. First we make a number. We call it threshold. This number is 500. It helps us to decide is this fire or not. In setup, we tell pin 13 it is an output. We also start a serial so we can see the number on a screen. In loop, we read the sensor. We call it this is flame value. If flame value is less than 500, that means fire is close, so LED turns on. If flame value is 500 or more, no fire, LED turns off. Then we wait a little bit and check again and again forever. Now plug in your Arduino. Now pick your board. And then click your port. Click and upload. Now open the serial monitor. You will see the number. These numbers change all the time. Bring lighter close the sensor. Watch the number drops. Watch the LED turns on. Let's remember what we did. The sensor feel firelight. The number drops when fire is close. Our code check this number. Low number means fire. LED turns on. This one idea is used in a real fire alarms too. Great job. You just built a real safety project. Next we add a buzzer for a sound alert, an LCD screen to show a message, a relay to control a bigger device. Stay with me. We built it step by step. Next video we add a buzzer so your alarm make noise too. Subscribe to Hamza Robo. Take care and happy learning.